आंखों में सपने दिए, घर से हम चल तो दिए, जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ।
तो सिर्फ गाने ही नहीं, डांस भी होगा आपका।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, और सिर्फ मैं नहीं करूँगा, जो ऑडियंस है वो भी करेंगे,
हम भी करेंगे ना।
बिल्कुल, very important. I'm really looking forward, really excited to come to Dublin and perform for all, everyone in Ireland. And people in Ireland are always fully charged and ready for shows called Live, Love, Laugh, Chance. So there's going to be a lot of things to, songs that you philosophize with, songs that of course you fall in love with. And
Hello Ireland, I'm here with the amazing musical genius, the melodious maestro who has entertained us for over 2 decades with some soulful melodies and some dhamakedar songs. I have here with me Shan.
Hi Bindu, hello Ireland.
It is lovely to see you here in Mumbai, Shan.
Thank you so much, and wonderful surprise visit, and also brings us to do this little interview just pre the show. So that's good. I'm really looking forward, really excited to come to Dublin and perform for all, everyone in Ireland. I've been in and around, England and Scotland, but never really ended up performing in Ireland. So I'm super excited.
And you know what? As you said it yourself as well, you have been to so many countries with your concert. What are your expectations? We are super excited to have you in Ireland for the first time. What are your expectations from Ireland?
And I mean, I should be safe to assume that the Irish or the people in Ireland are always fully charged and ready for a good evening of music and dance and entertainment. So that's exactly what's going to happen. The show's called Live, Love, Laugh, Chance. So there's going to be a lot of things to, songs that you philosophize with, songs that of course you fall in love with, and songs that you can, laugh as in really let your head down, enjoy yourself,
right?
That kind of stuff. So there's something for everyone, and I'm really excited because I've got a fantastic live band, and we've reworked a lot of our songs,
right,
and made them more contemporary, that today's kind of sound.
Yeah.
And there's some little dancing that I've also
Amazing.
been working on. So going to be putting on I think it's going to be a fantastic show.
तो सिर्फ गाने ही नहीं, डांस भी होगा आपका।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, और सिर्फ मैं नहीं करूँगा, जो ऑडियंस है वो भी करेंगे,
हम भी करेंगे ना।
बिल्कुल, very important.
So you have a playlist for every mood. Like शान के गाने उठाओ तो you can love के लिए है, chill out, party mode, any of them. You have an amazing collection of songs that you have given us. For me, Tanha Dil is very close to my heart. It's written by yourself as well. So
that is true.
It is an amazing song. 2 lines of Tanha Dil.
Sure, and I can imagine, when you left India for Ireland, and that song probably resonates.
Yeah.
क्यों नहीं? आँखों में सपने दिए, घर से हम चल तो दिए, जाने ये राहें अब ले जाएंगी कहाँ। मिट्टी की खुशबू आए, पलकों पे आंसू लाए, पलकों पे रह जाएगा यादों का जहां। मंजिल नहीं है अनजाना है कारवां, चलना अकेले है यहाँ। तन्हा दिल, तन्हा सफर, ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर, तन्हा दिल।
Amazing, amazing. क्या बोलूं, what voice. and you know what, if अब यहाँ पर है, if it is going to be like this when we are here sitting side by side, I can only imagine in a live and concert how it is going to be, how entertaining it's going to be.
Hopefully I'm counting on that too.
Absolutely, absolutely. So Dublin से आए हैं हम आपको ले जाने on the 5th of October 2024 in the Convention Center for the Live, Love, Laugh, Chance concert.
Yes.
So if you haven't booked your tickets yet,
totally, yeah. Spread the word, tell everyone it's going to be a fantastic show. No one wants to miss it. And you mentioned if you haven't booked your tickets, what should they do?
So if you haven't booked your tickets yet, it's www.brightamjentertainments.com.
Brightamjentertainments.com. Okay, get your tickets. Gonna have a good time together.
We'll see you all.